I bought these shoes from Amazon. I keep seeing them all over the place, and I kind of just bought them for a picture. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture in these. And I also bought these little gems to put on them, so I'm gonna put them on there really quickly and see how they look. But this is how they look with the little pieces on them. So I think they look super cute, but I kind of just bought these shoes just for a picture. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing them again. They're not really comfortable. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys my little package I got. And we're about to head over to the mall to head to H&M because your girl wants to find some different pants. What?
I don't know, it's so funny that I'm pushing it.
Say hi.
I'm so sorry.
She just crashed into the freaking door.
I'm sorry, I can't see from her.
The shoes are looking cute. Okay, they're giving.
I'm just smoking.
They're giving. They're just giving, okay?
My girl, man.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel it a smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days, always inside. To the depth of my mind, help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when you lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my car.
Okay, is it working? Yeah. Okay. We're about to go take pictures because I look cute. I'm not wearing these shoes with this outfit, by the way. Can you see? I'm not wearing those with this outfit. I don't know where I put my shoes. Let me get them for you really quick. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, right here. Okay, so you guys, I have so much energy. I just made a TikTok. I just did my video, doing this video. I feel like my titties are getting big. I'm so sorry if y'all see my titties. It's mostly girls here anyway, so whatever. But these are the shoes I'm wearing with my socks. And we're about to go take pictures. I'm trying to hurry up because the sun is gonna go down, sis. So we're about to go ahead and get these pictures on the show, on the road, whatever you want to call it. But you guys, I just got done doing a little TikTok, so go watch my TikTok for my hygiene stuff. If you guys haven't seen my TikToks before, it's just Kia Day, like everything. And I did a little Dove haul for you guys. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go take pics. Let's go. So we're downtown. Look at the Benz. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be mine. I'm claiming it, speaking it into existence. Oh my gosh, she's so fine. Ooh, and she got the tan seats. Oh, it's gonna be mine. So I think I'm taking pictures here. Should I do it right here? Is this background cute?
That's really cute. That's really cute.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're gonna take some pictures, y'all. Y'all hear the music? I might have to copy. I might have to take it out.
Don't have to take it off.
But yeah, we're gonna do that. We're doing a different location because I don't like it. I don't know.
Alright, should be no saying where we can't walk, right?
So I made it to the mall, guys. And I didn't even tell you guys, I dyed my hair. Can you see? It's giving summertime fine, baby. Okay, it's giving sun-kissed, okay? Yeah, but I'm about to go in here, do some shopping. Okay, so I wanted this dress last time. It's super cute. It's just really simple. And I really love the color. And then I also have this one and I really like it. And last time I didn't have my size. I've also been loving their little sweaters they have. Like, these are so cute. Let's see how this will look on me. Like, it's giving. It's so cute. But I don't know. I always have an issue with buying like winter stuff when it's summer. So I'm gonna wait. I've never seen this Morning Blossom body wash before. You know, I have to buy it. And then this summer care one, y'all. And then they also have a anti-stress one. Like, what? They made this just for your girl. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Morning Blossom one. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna pick up that one. I'm so excited, y'all. And then we're gonna pick up this summer care one. This is grapefruit and lemon. So yeah, we're gonna pick up that. And then we're also going to pick up this anti-stress body wash as well. And then I also seen that they were fully stocked with all of their body scrubs. So I am gonna pick up the brown sugar and coconut butter one. And I'm also gonna pick up the pomegranate seeds and shea butter one as well. So yeah, you know, we had to do some hygiene shopping. I also like the brand Soft Soap as well for body wash, and they had this gentle wash with oat milk and comforting vanilla. I've never seen that one before. And then they also had this energizing one with fresh eucalyptus and mint. Then I've seen that they had some new ones down here. This is the limited edition Hawaiian luau one, and it's supposed to be like a jasmine and vanilla scent. And then they also have a plum blossoms one with real plum extract and fresh, I have no idea how to say that. Then they also have this Fiji Nights with red berries and hibiscus scent. So they're coming out with a lot of like fresh body washes for the summer. So I'm also going to pick up this Dove's foaming bath salts. This is the Pampering Care with coconut and cocoa scent. This stuff smells so good, y'all. This is like one of the best ones I came out with, so I'm gonna pick up this as well. Then I seen that Dr. Teal's has like a whole entire line of the sleep, like the sleep line, I guess. Because you guys know I get the melatonin sleep soak, and then I also get the sleep bath, which the bottles are way smaller now because these are the regular ones. Like, they're this big, and now they're like that big. So I'm definitely gonna pick up one of the big ones because they're only $4.87. So I'm gonna pick up one of those. I run through those so fast. And then I've seen that they have this sleep spray. I have never seen this before. They also have a moisturizing bath and body oil with melatonin. So they have like a whole line now. And then they also have candles. This is the Dr. Teal Sleep Wellness Candle. That is so cool. Then they have like a stress relief one. They have an energy one. And then they also have it's the same thing, just the sleep line. So yeah, that's so cool. I never even knew that they had all this. I really kind of want to buy this candle and see if it helps with sleeping. So I am going to pick this up. This is lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood. I don't know what this is on my hand. I just touched something. Oh, it's probably, yeah. Anyways. I'm also going to pick up one of these Dr. Bronner's all-in-one hemp baby unscented pure castle soap bars. This one is one of my favorites to pre-cleanse with. So I'm going to pick up one of these. So there also is a Dr. Teal's kids line for the Sleep Soak. So they have the Sleep Soak, they have the 3-in-1 bubble bath, body wash, and shampoo. Then they have the melatonin and essential oil sleep lotion. But I also seen that they had this 3-in-1 oat and milk with shea butter, cocoa butter, and essential oils. This one looks really good. And then I also forgot that they had this soothing vapor bath. You guys, this stuff is the best stuff when your child is sick. It literally like gets all their boogers to just come out and run out their nose. I know it sounds nasty, but it's so much better for them. So I am going to pick up this one as well because she is a little sick. So yeah, I'm going to pick that up. But then they also have this brand as well. And then I seen that they had this. This is the Hello Bello brand. This is a Sugar Plum Lullaby Nighttime Bath Bomb. I think I'm going to buy this. And then I'm also going to buy the body wash to go with it and the lotion to go with it as well, and try that one on her and see how that works. So I'm just going to put that in there and then grab these two as well, because I never seen that they had these before. I seen that they have these Wipe That Tush flushable wipes, and they're single-use packs that you can bring like on the go. So I'm gonna pick up these. I seen these and I was like, oh my gosh, those are so cute, so aesthetically pleasing. They also have like a bigger 4-pack of them for the same price. Then they have these good wipes in a lavender scent, and they're flushable and plant-based as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that they have some new wipes for the downstairs area. Then I seen that Dove has these moisturizing hand sanitizer wipes in shea butter and warm vanilla. So I think I'm going to pick up a pack of these to just keep these in my car. I just found out that Shea Moisture came out with this new baby nighttime line with Manuka honey and lavender. Why did nobody tell me about this? This is a this is a nighttime deep conditioner. Oh my gosh, like what? And then they also have the baby nighttime shampoo and bath milk. It's for hair and skin with Manuka honey and lavender as well. Then they also have the lotion to go with it. I want to pick this stuff up so bad, you guys, but I just bought the Dr. Teal, so I don't know if I should try this because I know the Dr. Teal's works, but I kind of want to try this. I want to deep condition my baby's hair. So I don't know. These are the only type of coffee that I buy, you guys. I'm gonna put you on. This stuff is amazing. So they have this new limited edition one that's coconut chocolate, but I usually get the caramel dose one. So I'm gonna pick up one of these, and then I'm also gonna pick up the Madagascar vanilla one because they never have this one either. Every time I go down the aisle, they are out of these. This is what happens every time we go into the store and I'm supposed to leave with one thing. Like this, I was just coming here for food, and now I bought the whole damn store. Like, you got your car? She changed her mind about the doctor stuff and wanted a car instead. So yeah, we're about to head home.